Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best diamond pen is probably one of the most exciting and dazzling tools to hit the crafting and DIY scene, allowing you to add a touch of sparkle and luxury to any project with precision and ease. Imagine effortlessly placing each tiny diamond exactly where you envision it, transforming ordinary items into extraordinary works of art with a simple, elegant tool that feels as good in your hand as it looks on your creation. This pen isn't just about applying rhinestones, it's about elevating your creative process and bringing a professional, high-end finish to everything you touch, making it an indispensable addition for anyone who loves to add a little bling. Number 5. Hotfix Applicator Bedazzler Kit with 5,200 Rhinestones. Get started with this comprehensive kit. It includes everything you need, from the heat fix setter and multiple tips to a large quantity of glass jewels in various sizes, tweezers, and a convenient zipper bag for storage. Create lasting designs on fabric and leather. When used with iron-on rhinestones, it forms a permanent bond that withstands washing, ensuring your creations stay beautiful. Designed for ease of use, this tool makes embellishing simple. Helpful guides and videos are available to ensure you can start creating quickly and confidently. Achieve stunning, professional-looking results with this gem setter. It's perfect for crafters, designers, and anyone looking to add a special touch to their projects. Everything is neatly organized in a black zipper pouch. This makes it compact and easy to take with you or store away when not in use. This tool is recommended for users aged 12 and above. Enjoy adding sparkle to your creations safely and easily. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive set for immediate crafting. If you're looking for a complete starter package with a generous amount of rhinestones and convenient storage, this is a great choice. It ensures you have everything you need in one place for your projects. What people say. The gems are so cute and easy to work with and the applicator makes everything so much easier than using glue. This kit came with so many gems and sizes. Also, we haven't noticed any gems falling off, so definitely good quality. It heats up quickly and makes applying rhinestones super easy and secure. I loved that it came with multiple tip sizes, especially because I needed to get the rhinestones super close together. The smaller tips made that so much easier. Number 4. Hotfix Applicator Tool Kit with 8,500 Rhinestones. Introducing the ultimate tool kit for adding sparkle to your world. This all-in-one set is perfect for anyone looking to embellish their belongings. Inside this comprehensive kit, you'll find everything required to get started. It includes the applicator, multiple tips, a vast collection of rhinestones, and all the essential accessories for a seamless crafting experience. Designed specifically for fabric and leather, this tool creates a strong, permanent bond. Your beautiful embellishments will withstand washing, ensuring lasting brilliance. Achieve stunning, professional-looking results with ease. We provide a clear manual, helpful videos, and support to ensure you can start creating right away. Packaged in an elegant gift box, this kit makes an ideal present for crafters, designers, and DIY enthusiasts. It's a wonderful way to share the joy of adding personalized blings. This versatile tool is suitable for users aged 12 and above. It's a fantastic way for teens and adults alike to express their style and creativity. What we like? With an abundance of rhinestones and attractive gift box packaging, this option is perfect for gifting. If you need a high quantity of gems and want a presentation-ready set for a special occasion or a loved one, consider this. What people say. Stones are there to stay. The gems are so cute and easy to work with and the applicator makes everything so much easier than using glue. This kit came with so many gems and sizes. Also, we haven't noticed any gems falling off, so definitely good quality. Number 3. Worthofbest Hotfix Rhinestone Setter Kit. Introducing the ultimate tool for adding sparkle to your life. This kit allows you to easily bedazzle and shine your designs whenever inspiration strikes. Perfect for a wide range of materials, from clothing and t-shirts to DIY shoes and denim. You can add a touch of bling to any fabric project in no time. Everything you need is included in this convenient starter kit. It comes with various sizes and colors of rhinestones, plus all the necessary tools for application. Designed with ease of use in mind, this tool makes the process simple. Get started quickly with helpful guides and support available. Achieve stunning, professional-looking finishes on all your crafts. It's an invaluable asset for anyone passionate about design and DIY projects. What we like. This set stands out with its inclusion of both AB and clear crystals, plus organized compartment boxes for easy sorting. If you appreciate having a variety of crystal types readily accessible and organized for your designs, this is the one for you. What people say. This diamond embroidery pen set is a great addition to my crafting supplies. The pens are comfortable to hold and the diamonds stick well to the canvas. I love the variety of colors and sizes included in this set. It makes it easy to create intricate designs and add sparkle to my projects. Number 2. Diamond Dotz Ergo LED Stylus. Experience enhanced detail with our illuminated stylus. It combines light and comfort, making it the ultimate tool for your diamond painting projects. Designed for extended crafting, this pen features an ergonomic grip. This reduces fatigue and ensures steady control during long sessions. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, this stylus is perfect for you. It's compatible with all gems, making it essential for your gem art collection. The built-in LED light improves visibility for accurate drill placement. It's ideal for detailed projects where precision is key. This is a top choice among diamond painting accessories. It's part of the best tools for creating your most sparkling creations. What we like. Featuring an illuminated tip and an ergonomic grip, this pen is designed for comfort and precision during long crafting sessions. If you often work on detailed diamond painting projects and experience hand fatigue, this tool will enhance your accuracy and comfort. What people say. The pen is comfortable to hold and easy to use, making the diamond painting process more enjoyable. The different tips included in the set allow for precise placement of diamonds, which is great for detailed work. The pen's design is sleek and attractive, and it feels sturdy and well-made. Number 1. Minyii Electric Diamond Painting Pen, Purple. Tired of sticky wax and messy tools? This pen uses gentle suction to pick up rhinestones precisely. Just tap, pick, and place for a clean, smooth, and beginner-friendly experience. Unlike traditional wax pens, this electric tool leaves no residue behind. Your rhinestones stay crystal clear, enhancing the brilliance of every piece. Enjoy mess-free art with perfect sparkle. Get more done with less effort. Its ergonomic design and vacuum technology make diamond pickup feel effortless. Reduce hand fatigue and speed up your projects, perfect for long creative sessions. Plug into a power bank, laptop, or wall adapter, no batteries, no limits. Whether at home or traveling, it gives you the freedom to create diamond art wherever inspiration strikes. In a fast-paced world, we believe creativity is healing. This tool is made to ground your mind and uplift your spirit. Recharge with color, focus, and joy, one rhinestone at a time. What we like. This electric pen utilizes suction for a wax-free and effortless rhinestone application. If you dislike the mess of traditional wax tools and want a faster, cleaner way to place gems, especially for larger projects or if you're new to diamond painting, this is an excellent, user-friendly option. What people say. Easy to use and you don't have to deal with wax mess. Makes projects go so much faster and easier. Really enjoy, leaves diamonds bright and sparkly. This works really great and fun to use this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.